Thanks for staying with us. The Macon Housing Authority teaming up with Daybreak to bring more than 80 new affordable homes to the downtown area.
This afternoon, they gave the public a sneak peek into the new construction. Cecily Stout joins us in studio to tell us more.
That's right, Frank and Lori. We got a glimpse of what the future will look like at the Central City Apartments. The build for this project started back in early 2022, and now they'll be crossing the finish line soon.
Thousands of hours of work, $20 million worth of money, and just a lot of blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this, and it's going to make 82 people very, very happy.
The Central City Apartments off Walnut Street will give 82 families a chance at affordable housing. 16 of the units are reserved for Daybreak clients. Monday afternoon, there was a blessing over the new project and all the people they plan to support.
Everybody comes out of this winners, and people who need affordable housing now have a great place to live, and if they work downtown, they're very close to work.
$2.25 million was raised for the new Phil and Alice Sheridan Health Center on the property. Sister Teresa Sullivan, the director of DePaul USA's Daybreak, will run the 12-bed medical area of the complex.
So many times our brothers and sisters who are sick and they're leaving the hospital, they need conditional health care, just like you and I do.
Sullivan says the health center has a contract to work with Piedmont Medical Center in Macon. They have exam rooms for nurses and physicians to come check on their patients after leaving the hospital.
And if you're not in a safe place where you can get medication, you can get your therapy, you can connect to your physicians to follow up, you don't heal.
Local leaders, sponsors, future residents, and other supporters gathered in front of Daybreak to hear how DePaul USA and the Housing Authority got this done. There were representatives from DePaul International, including from countries like Croatia and Ukraine. Chuck Levesque is the CEO of DePaul USA. He says other DePaul subsidiaries around the world could be inspired by the Macon community.
Much of the funding is government directed. Here in Macon, it's come from the citizens and the incredible philanthropic community and the churches. And so it's really inspiring to see a community come together to solve a problem. And that's what I hope our European brothers and sisters see, that it's a different way of operating.
Now, Sister Teresa told me even though they already have a contract with Piedmont, she welcomes all medical facilities to get involved so that everyone in the community can have access to the best care and the best recovery. Back to you.
Thank you, Cecily. The grand opening was scheduled for today, but they are facing some construction delays. They plan to have the apartments open and occupied in June. The medical respite is scheduled to start providing care in July.
Earlier this year, we told you River Edge Behavioral Health is building 10 permanent tiny homes for homeless people. It'll provide wraparound services provided for the residents. Phase 2 construction started in January, and River Edge's CEO told us he hoped the project would be done sometime this summer. Cass Hatcher said River Edge already has plans to start another living community later this year. Those homes will be on Norris Street in East Macon.
In a